Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. So yesterday was a very good day for the market. In fact, as far as the price are concerned, but we have not considered it as a follow-through action. Follow-through day हमने count नहीं किया है because volume was on the lower side. You can see over here the gain was excellent. One thing which I liked, I think I discussed yesterday also, that yes, the low of yesterday, if it remains above this green line, that is the 21 EMA, then that's very positive, and that has happened. So one thing is clear. The second thing, that is the follow through day. अभी follow through day नहीं आया है, because see volume कम था Friday के session से, and the condition of follow through day is that volume should be on the higher side. Gain अगर 1.9% नहीं होता और we have a criteria of 1.5 and not going for 1.9, right? But abhi volume nahi aaya, so we will not consider it as a follow through day, and this is a weak link. That's what I was discussing कि हाँ यूएस में भी 3 follow through day फेल हुए, अपने यहाँ ये सेकंड टाइम हुआ. इससे पहले भी एक बार बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्शन था बट वॉल्यूम बहुत कम था, राइट? लाइक सी ओवर हियर आल्सो दिस 2 days, लुक एट द वॉल्यूम ओवर हियर. सो अभी जो गेन डेज है जहाँ पे अच्छा गेन मिल रहा है वहां पे वॉल्यूम कम मिल रहा है. सो दिस इज समथिंग नेगेटिव दैट यू शुड लुक ऑन. सेकेंड थिंग इज, हाँ कुछ स्टॉक का बहुत अच्छा मोमेंटम था रिजल्ट्स के बाद. आई थिंक द रिकवरी वाज गुड. छोटा मोटा जो मूविंग एवरेजेस है वो रिक्लेम किया. वॉल्यूम भी अच्छा था कुछ स्टॉक्स के लिए. सो ओवरऑल few good things over there. Now we are just around 250 300 points away from 50 DMA, ये red line. If we go around 16900 के अराउंड है तो वहां पे एक रेजिस्टेंस मिल सकता है, और मे बी अगर वो रिक्लेम कर लिया then it will be a strong thing. Now second thing is कि अगर यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम नहीं आया, थोड़ा अगर वीक लिंक है, तो यहाँ पे एक कंसोलिडेशन भी हो सकता है या फिर छोटा सा पॉज भी आ सकता है. सो दीज आर द two things that you should be ready for, but don't be too aggressive in adding the stocks because there is no clarity in how the things are going. And yes, I will discuss about oil in the next few slides. So key results: LIC FY22 PAT was down, but the good part is the net premium income grew almost 18% to more than 1.43 lakh. KNR reported very good numbers. In fact, the revenue rose 11% to more than 1100 crore, and PAT also grew 35% on a YOY basis. Arvindo Pharma's Q4 was in line, PAT was in line with estimate. Revenue or EBITDA miss kiya. IRCTC 106% YOY growth in profit, around 210-15 crore, and it was driven by strong top line and operating performance. And the revenue grew almost 104% to 691 crore. So this is something good. If you look at Radico Khaitan, as a lot of stocks are facing margin pressure, 5.3% contraction हुआ था margin में, and the margin was just around 40 to 43%, while the EBITDA was also down 21% on a YOY basis. And Sun Pharma also reported, so unka margin was a better side, so US ka sales was also better for Sun Pharma. Now, if you look at the global market update, so US market was closed yesterday. Asian market, this is not updated one, guys. It is trading almost flat. All the Asian markets are trading flat, 0.1 to 2.2% जितना ऊपर है. If you look at the Brent crude, yeah, this is crossed 120 plus $1 per barrel. ये थोड़ा अपने लिए एक नेगेटिव है for the Indian market because थोड़ा 100-110 के बीच में था. वहां पे थोड़ा एक क्रूड को लेके वो भी हायर ही था, बट एक कंफर्ट जोन आया था कि चलो ऊपर से नीचे आ गया. बट अभी अगेन इट इज अबाउ 120. And the main reason is, one is that EU agrees ban on more than 2/3 of the Russian oil import, and second, I think China ने भी जो restrictions थे कोविड का वो हटाने पे बात किया है from tomorrow. So I think a major is from the EU side. The second thing, US futures are trading with minor gains. वहाँ पे कोई major loss है नहीं. But yes, the crude is a big problem which we should consider. SGX Nifty flat to negative जैसा opening expected है. Looking at it, 16,600 के around move हो रहा है. Yesterday's closing was of around 16,660. So not major loss, but yes, after a strong rally yesterday, there might be some 50-100 points pullback in the opening, but let's see how it phases out today. But हाँ, एक चीज आज को फोकस करना है, वो है वॉल्यूम. In some of the leading stock in the sectors, if we want some little gain on a very good volume. So we will start chart of day now. I think almost 3 weeks, 4 weeks we are not discussing chart of the day because the market was in a downtrend, so we avoid. So let's start with the Page Industries. The Q4 was very good. Their portfolio, the product portfolio उनका बहुत improve हो गया है. There are a lot of new products they have come up with और उनका sales अच्छा हो रहा है. Second thing, वो price hikes pass easily कर पाया है, and there has not been much impact on the sales due to price hike. The other important thing for Page Industry is more than 70% जो उसका मतलब मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है वो उनका इन हाउस है. सो उसकी वजह से उनका जो कॉस्ट कंट्रोल है वो बहुत बेहतरीन है. एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई इन द Q4 व्हेन the prices of the raw materials were high, the entire value chain, the chain was at a higher cost due to inflation and all, but Page Industry is able to grow the margin, and so that is something really good. And उनका top line और revenue भी अच्छा ही है, but margin भी improve हुआ है. And technically stage 2 का base है. The breakout point is yes this 45,600, and it has reclaimed its all key moving averages. And see, look at the volume. Last 3 sessions the volume was really good when the stock was going higher. So fundamentally it's a very good stock. अभी इस बार उनका profit और revenue growth was one of the highest, and the margin is also strong and the good portfolio. So overall it looks good, but let's see if the market can give support and if the stock can break out on a very good volume, then one should have a watch on this. That's it for the today's session. Thank you.